When we think of Sanskrit, we often imagine a pristine, classical language, an idealized tongue emerging fully formed from the Vedas. But languages are never created in isolation. They live, breathe, and borrow. Even Sanskrit, with all its structural elegance, has absorbed elements from the cultures and languages it encountered. Now, among the most intriguing influences on Sanskrit are the Dravidian languages, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam. These languages were already flourishing in the Indian subcontinent before Sanskrit gained its literary and religious prestige. So it should come as no surprise that Sanskrit, especially in its later stages, what we call classical Sanskrit, bears traces of Dravidian contact. A few examples. Consider the word kuṭi, meaning hut or small house. This word does not behave like an inherited Indo-Aryan word. It has strong phonetic and semantic parallels in Dravidian, especially Tamil, where kuṭi has a similar meaning. Even more telling is the word ani, which means to nail, the metallic kind, not the one on your finger. Again, parallels appear in Tamil as a ani. These terms are not likely to be Indo-European in origin, their phonology and root structures diverge from the inherited Sanskrit lexicon. And then there's ulūkhala, the Sanskrit word for mortar, as in mortar and pestle. It's a rather specific domestic object, and here again, parallels exist in Dravidian languages, particularly Old Tamil, where similar words appear with related meanings. Many scholars believe such terms were borrowed during centuries of close contact between Indo-Aryan and Dravidian speakers. Interestingly, we also find influence at the syntactic and phonological levels. Retroflex consonants, the ones where the tongue curls back, are common in Dravidian languages, and while Vedic Sanskrit had some retroflexes, their full development in later Sanskrit is likely due to Dravidian substrate influence. So even the sound of Sanskrit was reshaped in this exchange. This kind of linguistic borrowing reminds us that Sanskrit did not evolve in a vacuum, it was a part of a complex, multilingual environment. And the Dravidian contributions are signs of richness, adaptation, and cultural contact. A language that can absorb and incorporate is a language that thrives.